Friends, here's a short story about a girl named Arya, who is about 9 years and lives with her parents and her younger brother Varot. She fears that she might not perform well in her class and might end up disappointing her parents who want her to do well. The story is about how she confronts her fears by being mindful and concentrates on efforts rather than results. In the process she learns a valuable lesson for life. The story is rich from an English language learning perspective and you should like it. Let's go then. Arya was a bright girl of 9 years who lived with her parents and younger brother, Varot. She loved going to school and learning new things. However, recently she had begun to worry that she wasn't performing as well as she could be in her class. Her parents had always placed a lot of importance on her academic success, and she feared that she might end up disappointing them. The thought of it made her anxious and scared. She started to doubt her abilities and wondered if she would ever be good enough. One day, while Arya was sitting in her room, feeling overwhelmed by her fears, her grandmother came to visit. She noticed the worry lines on Arya's face and asked her what was bothering her. Arya confided in her grandmother about her fears of disappointing her parents. Her grandmother listened carefully and then shared a story with her. Once there was a man who loved gardening. He spent hours every day tending to his plants, but one day he realized that no matter how hard he worked, some plants just wouldn't grow. He was disappointed, but then he realized that he should focus on the effort he put into the plants, rather than the results. He learned to enjoy the process of gardening, rather than the outcome. Arya thought about her grandmother's story and realized that she had been too focused on the results, rather than the effort she put in. She decided to be more mindful and concentrate on her efforts, rather than the grades she received. In the following weeks, Arya started to notice that she was enjoying her schoolwork more. She was putting in more effort and focusing on learning rather than grades. She started to feel less anxious and more confident in her abilities. Arya learned a valuable lesson from her grandmother that day. She realized that sometimes the process is more important than the outcome. She continued to work hard and focus on her efforts, and soon she was achieving great success in school. But more importantly, she felt proud of herself and knew that she was doing her best.